Hey YouTube, today I got a video on my brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max, 512 gig, natural titanium. I want to show you how to install a tempered screen protector if you haven't before. It's very easy. Let's crack this thing open. Get that out of the way. And this is just a little cheap one that I found off of Amazon. I mean, usually I just buy whatever they have there. It is from Germany, it looks like. Scan with the transparency app. I would assume that's for instructions. This is a 3-pack privacy screen protector for iPhone 15 Pro Max with 3-pack camera lens protectors, anti-spy, tempered glass film. So let's take a look here. Oh wow, that's never seen that before. It's got a little plastic top on it. Alright, here are the camera covers. Here's a installation cleaning kit. We'll use one of those. There's one and there's one. Move those to the side. Here's your adapter to be able to align your screen protector. Product instruction manual. Slap the screen protector on. That's pretty much what it is. And here's one of the screen protectors. Slide this thing open. It's the one that has the hole cut out for the camera. You can see how it is privacy, so you don't have people at work or while you're out and about trying to look at your phone. Alright, so flip this over. You can see it's got plenty of dust and stuff on there. Let's get that all cleaned up. Opening up the cleaning kit. Wet wipes. Tiny microfiber cloth. And your dust absorber. So first things first, I'll take my microfiber cloth, get some of this obvious dust and debris off of there. Open up your wet cloth. Take it. Hold your phone. Clean it off nice. Set that to the side. Go back to your microfiber. Dry it off. Now you want to use your dust absorber. Always just use the big one. Take it. Got that. Set that to the side. Now take your alignment tool. It goes on top. That helps you align it. This one you peel off the back piece like so. Then I always line up the hole to the camera cutout, and then you just drop it on. Push it, and you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, but You can see how it just kind of slowly fills up on there. Then you can just take it, clean out whatever little bubbles there are. Take this piece off. So I always take the microfiber towel. You can see it's got little bubbles in there. Just kind of push them to the side. And if you have any bubbles left over, they usually will disappear in the first 24 hours. So, and if you need to, you can just wipe them. If you got to use your nail to get a little more involved, and just try to push those things to the side. Right. See that one? All right. Nice. That one's all going to the side. That one's big. If it's big, you can always just lift it up. And then give it another go, just like that. There you go. It is done. Take your microfiber cloth. There we go. Got a couple little bubbles there. All right, those are out to the edge. And voila, that's it. All there is to it. The biggest part is making sure there's no dust or film on the screen, any dust or dirt on there whenever you are first putting it on, but that is attached. Thanks for watching.